Okay, so we're taking, well, we have the JZX and the Corvette inside. And the S14 needs to come inside. So, push the Corvette out.
Yeah.
Put a tarp on it. Oh my god. Okay, so JZX out, Corvette out, S14 in, because, why is it coming in?
I've never seen the car in person. I'm pretty excited.
Well, Doug's excited to see it, so we're gonna show Doug. And then we're gonna assemble it back, because right now it's in a dire state. I don't know. It has the motor out of it, and we're gonna put the rebuilt motor back in. With the transmission and the quick change and all that. All right, let's start pushing these babies out. We gotta get the cutter out. The bandsaw. Oh, the band. Oh. So I don't know if you guys remember, but we had a RX-7 FD in the shop. It was one of our friends, Ricky Craig's, and this is his subframe, his rear subframe. So Josiah designed this, Cam welded it. This was probably a year ago that we did this, and Ricky brought it back. We're gonna do some more clearance because he wants to get it powder coated, so we have to make sure everything fits up, but it's spicy. Looks great. But I didn't know there was a steering shaft here, so I'm just gonna plop that back in and I'm gonna drag it to the other shop. Man, I didn't know S chassis were so fast. Oh! Ow! Wait, what happened? This fell off the car in the puddle. Yeah, I didn't press on the brakes. It just, you were going slow, and I must have picked up momentum when I went down in the puddle. And then like you kind of slowed down, then when you went again, it just pulled like a yank. Oh my. We made it. Oh, look who it is!
I got a video of you driving by.
Getting out the winter beater.
That's nice.
Did you get the shaft back in it?
Yeah. Except we were going through the mud holes in the back and it did a little tug and it just came apart and I was like, Kyle?
You know, puddle. So we'll have to back it in, eh? Those green traction arm brackets are the sickest.
They do look sick, man.
Yeah, it does look cool. Those are nice. Especially in the snow. Majestic.
Alright, so we got the S14 in the shop, we got it on the lift,
and we're starting to tackle this project of putting it back together and getting it ready for the season. We got some BC Racing Coilovers in, and we're gonna put them on the car. We're gonna get the trans mated up to the engine and a bunch of other cool tasks that we're gonna do to spruce this car up for the season. Let's get ready to go. I'm just gonna use this table to help me hold up this knuckle and keep the tension off the joints while I replace this coilover. Okay, so we're going to swap over the camber plates back onto the BCs. So these are the new coilovers, these are the old ones. We have FDF caster plates on them. These are available on the site, right, Jack? Okay, they are.
Come with the billet kits.
They come with the billet knuckle kits. This car has a billet S-chassis knuckle, and it relocates everything, makes it all sick. So yeah, we're gonna swap over these plates onto the new BCs. The BCs just have these regular stock location camber plates, and yeah, take those off. Oh my God. Drama at the FDF shop. It's cool. Dylan makes these CNC'd shock mounts at the mill.
No, not shock mounts.
What are these? Oh, these are strut mounts?
Caster plate bearing.
Caster plate bearings, dude. I'm just the new guy. I don't know what I'm saying. Man, I think they look great. It's a straightforward install. Well, I'm gonna tighten these top bolts down, and then we're gonna possibly put the transmission on the engine, mate the two, put the new clutch in, torque it down, put the transmission on, and all the accessories, get it ready to put in the car, and then some more suspension and cooling changes that we're gonna do to this car, and yeah, that's it. All right, so we're installing a Tiltin Clutch on the Size Pro car. This is a fully built LS, and it's getting a race button style clutch from Tiltin. And I'm just opening up all the boxes here and making sure that everything is there, and it's looking good. We got the flywheel, pressure plate, and the discs. It's looking good. And the ring gear. Now I'm just gonna bolt it all up. Should be good.
Kyle, I think you might need this.
Oh. We don't need this.
You don't?
No. Yeah, I'm just kidding. We're gonna read it. To align all the clutch material and the pressure plate with the flywheel together so that it's all balanced together, because I'm sure they assembled this at the factory balanced, and they want you to assemble it on the motor balanced as well, so you can't just screw it on willy-nilly. So. All right, so we got this clutch pack assembled and ready to go. We cleaned all the surfaces and all that. We're just ready to mate it up with the clutch alignment tool with his old clutch, just to make sure that every plate and everything was aligned in the right sequence. Because with these Tiltin clutches, the rivets on the friction plates themselves have to be oriented in a specific way. Like for instance, this one has to be facing towards the pressure plate, and this one is kind of just a floater. put the rivet heads face towards the flywheel and so on and so forth. So yeah. We are installing the transmission to the motor now. 4-speed GSR jog box, built LSX, triple disc clutch. Let's go. Down, down. Go back. All right. Lower your back end down. Wiggle up. Yeah. Quick. 40 foot-pounds. I don't know, I just guessed. So where we last off is we were putting the clutch on and the transmission on. So we got that on. We put the motor in the car with the forklift. That one over there. It turned out great. It went right in. It was no biggie, but yeah, we got the dry sump oiling system on. We got the alternator on, and we just got to hook up some of the oil lines, and it should be ready for our testing day on April 16th, coming up soon. So yeah, went together good. Should be done soon. Yeah, if you like the video, like it. If you like us, subscribe. Consider grabbing some merchandise that we have. It's we got a full stock on hats and new shirts. So yeah, check it out. Next video. Bye.